I asked an AI to plan a week of lunches for a picky 6-year-old. It lost to a chicken nugget. The 2026 pitch is irresistible. Describe your kid, and an app hands back 5 perfect lunches. Balanced, colorful, done. So I tried it on a real picky kid. By the end, you'll know the one thing it genuinely nails, the one thing it gets exactly backwards, and the fix feeding experts have sworn by for 40 years. And no, the kid isn't the problem here. The plan is. First, the good news, because on paper, the plan was gorgeous. I told it, 6 years old, eats like a bird. Seconds later, 5 lunches that looks like a magazine. Monday, veggie pinwheels. Tuesday, a rainbow bento. Wednesday, hummus and pita with little cucumber stars. Every macro hit, a hidden vegetable in everything, and not one lunch repeated all week. As a grown-up, I looked at it and thought, this is better than what I'd make. Hold on to that last part though, not one lunch repeated. Then I showed it to the actual 6-year-old. About this kid, like a lot of kids, the whole menu is about 5 foods. Plain pasta, crackers, apple slices, no skin, and chicken nuggets. The nuggets. One brand, always. So I put the AI's Rainbow Week in front of him. He looked at the cucumber stars and asked where the nuggets were. The pinwheels? What's the green stuff? The bento? Didn't even open. 1 for 5. And the AI's proudest feature, a different lunch every day, was the exact thing that made him shut down. So what's going wrong under the hood? The AI is solving the wrong problem. It treats a picky kid like a nutrition puzzle. Maximize variety, hit the macros, hide the veg. But this was never a nutrition problem. And the AI isn't even good at the nutrition part. In one study, AI meal plans for kids and teens came in about 700 calories a day under what a real dietitian prescribed. Basically a whole missing meal. It builds from generic diet templates, not from what one specific child will actually put in his mouth. And remember, this isn't a rare kid. Roughly 1 in 4 young children eats like this. Now, I know what you're thinking. A nuggets and pasta diet can't be right. So isn't the AI's Rainbow the healthier call? Here's what feeding therapists actually say, and it surprised me. For a picky kid, more variety isn't the cure, it's the trigger. It's called food neophobia. New food reads as danger. The gold standard from dietitian Ellen Satter is the opposite of what the app did. Always keep a safe food on the plate. Yes, the nuggets. And when a kid fixates on one food, taking it away just starts a war you lose. The AI swapped out the one food doing real work and called it an upgrade. So here's the real answer, and honestly, it reframed the whole thing for me. Picky eating isn't a recipe problem, it's a behavior problem. And the AI optimized the one variable, variety, that makes the behavior worse. That's why it lost to a chicken nugget. The nugget wasn't the kid being difficult, the nugget was the strategy, the safe base that lets a nervous eater actually sit at the table. The plan looked like a 10. The lunchbox came home full. So, can you let an AI help with a picky kid? Yes, if you keep 3 jobs in your own hands. 1, keep the safe food on the plate every single day, no apology. That's not surrender, it's the foundation. 2, you decide what shows up and when. Your kid decides whether and how much. Don't hand an app that power struggle. 3, use the AI for one small new thing next to the safe food, never a whole rainbow at once. Do that, and the AI stops being the expert on your kid and becomes a decent idea generator for you. Which is exactly why we built Recipe around the real dish, not a guess. Other apps just run on your phone. Recipe runs your kitchen. It starts from food that actually works. So swapping one new item in next to your kid's safe food is tied to a real tested recipe. And yes, we use AI too. The difference is honesty. It's grounded in recipes that hold up. And when one's AI generated, we say so, right on it. No fake author, no pretending. Try it free. Links in the description. Next time, I hand an AI nothing but the sad, half-empty containers about to expire in my fridge and say, make dinner. And what it did surprised me. Subscribe so you don't miss it.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.